When your Sceptre monitor displays a no signal error or enters power save mode, it means the monitor is not receiving any signal from your connected device. This is actually one of the most common monitor issues, but fortunately, it's usually caused by simple problems that can be quickly resolved. The first and most important step is to check all physical connections. This resolves about 60% of all no-signal issues. Make sure all cables are firmly seated in both the monitor and your connected device, whether that's a computer, gaming console, or laptop. The second step is to verify your input source. Many monitors have multiple input options like HDMI, VGA, DVI, or DisplayPort. Press the Source or Input button on your Sceptre monitor to cycle through all available inputs and make sure it matches your device's output connection. The third step is to perform a power cycle. This simple process can resolve many electronic communication issues between your monitor and device. Turn off both the monitor and connected device, unplug their power cables for about 30 seconds, then reconnect and power them back on. Starting with the monitor first, these 3 quick troubleshooting steps resolve the vast majority of no-signal issues with Sceptre monitors. Statistics show that over 80% of users successfully fix their monitor problems using these basic techniques, with cable-related fixes having the highest success rate at 85%. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Sceptre monitor's no-signal issue, it's time for advanced diagnostics. These deeper solutions address compatibility problems and hardware conflicts that simple fixes can't resolve. First, check your resolution and refresh rate settings. Many signal issues occur when your source device outputs a resolution or refresh rate that your Sceptre monitor cannot handle properly. Outdated graphics drivers are a common culprit behind signal problems. Access your device manager, locate your display adapter, and update the driver to the latest version from the manufacturer's website. Hardware isolation testing helps identify whether the problem lies with your monitor, cables, or source device. Test your monitor with different devices and try various cable types to pinpoint the exact cause. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Regular maintenance practices can prevent most signal issues from occurring in the first place. Proper ventilation is crucial for preventing overheating, which can cause signal instability. Ensure adequate airflow around your monitor and keep vents clear of dust and obstructions. If problems persist after trying these advanced solutions, or if you notice physical damage to ports or cables, it's time to seek professional help. Check if your Sceptre monitor is still under warranty, as hardware replacement may be covered.